In this video, we are learning a few things taught by Dale Carnegie. This is the person, Mr. Dale Carnegie. Let us see what is it. Dale Carnegie was an American writer, lecturer, and self-improvement pioneer, best known for his book How to Win Friends and Influence People. Born in 1888, he dedicated his life to teaching communication, leadership, and interpersonal skills. His idea emphasized understanding others, showing genuine appreciation, and building confidence through empathy and positive thinking. Carnegie's timeless principles continue to inspire people worldwide to develop confidence, improve relationships, and achieve personal and professional success. So, in this video, we are going to learn something taught by him. So, Mr. Dale Carnegie. So, these are the learnings from Dale Carnegie. Here, we are going to learn how to make people like you. We are in a social community, so when we interact with people, the other man must like to talk to you and like you. So, here are a few principles which are laid down by him. The first one, don't criticize, condemn, or complain. My dear friends, one of the greatest lessons for success in life and relationship should be summed up in just three lines. Don't criticize, don't condemn, and don't complain. When you criticize someone, they don't change, they defend themselves. When you condemn, you close the door to their heart. And when you complain, you waste energy on problems instead of finding solutions. But imagine if instead of criticizing, you encouraged, instead of condemning, you understood, instead of complaining, you looked for ways to improve. You would not only win people's cooperation but also their friendship and respect. So, let us make this principle a part of our daily lives. Every time we feel like criticizing, let us pause and appreciate something good. Every time we feel like condemning, let us choose understanding. And every time we feel like complaining, let us focus on solution. This is how leaders are made, relationships are strengthened, and success is built. The second learning, give honest and sincere appreciation. Giving honest and sincere appreciation means genuinely recognizing and acknowledging someone's efforts, qualities, or achievements without exaggeration or hidden motives. It differs from flattering because it comes from a true sense of gratitude and respect rather than personal gain or manipulation. Such appreciation makes people feel valued and motivated because it acknowledges their unique contribution and builds trust. Ultimately, expressing genuine appreciation strengthens relationship by creating goodwill and emotional connection between people. Flattering and genuine appreciation. Flattering is fake. It's saying nice things just to get something in return. Sincere appreciation, on the other hand, comes from the heart. You notice the good in someone and express it honestly. Third one, arouse in the other person eager want. Sounds complicated. Let's break it down. It simply means if you want someone to do something, don't talk about what you want, talk about what they want because people are not interested in you. They are interested in themselves. Show them how your idea or request benefit them, not just you. Help them see what's in it for you, for them. Become genuinely interested in other people. Becoming genuinely interested in other people means caring about them for who they are, not for what they can do for you. It involves actually listening to understand their thoughts, feelings, and experiences rather than waiting for your turn to speak or focusing on your own agenda. So, if you desire to have friends, we have to be friendly. If we want to be liked by others, we have to show first that we like them. If we want to be respected, we have to be respectful. If we want to be loved, we have to be lovable. In short, we get what we give. Ultimately, developing sincere interest in others strengthens human connection and makes interaction more rewarding and respectful on both sides. The fifth one is a smile. A simple smile can break barriers. Imagine two shopkeepers. One greets you with a dull face and other with a cheerful smile. Whom would you prefer? A smile says, I like being with you. Smile costs nothing, but it is contagious and it creates instant friendliness and trust. Sixth, remember that a man's name is to him the sweetest and the most important sound in any language. A person's name is deeply tied to their identity. When you remember and use someone's name, it makes them feel recognized, valued, and respected. It shows that you care about them as an individual, not just as another phase or transaction. The sweetest music anyone to hear is the sound of your name, because that's the way we are humans. Why it matters? It builds instant connection and trust. It makes communication more personal and warm. People are more likely to listen, cooperate, and open up to those who remember their names. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. The magic of being a good listener. When you listen sincerely, you make others feel valued, respected, and understood. You build trust, and people naturally start liking you more. Here's how you can practice this. When someone is talking, look at them and pay attention. Don't interrupt. Let them finish. Ask small, genuine questions that shows interest. Really? What happened next? How did that make you feel? Remember, sometimes people don't need advice. They just need someone who listens. Talk in terms of other man's interest. When you talk about what others care about, they feel respected and understood and valued. It's not manipulation, it's empathy. It means stepping into someone else's world and showing genuine interest. How can you practice this? Find out what your friends or classmates love: music, sports, art, technology. Ask them about it with curiosity. Listen with attention and respond with interest. In discussions or teamwork, link your ideas to what matters to others not just what matters to you. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. How do you feel when someone appreciates your work or notices your efforts? It feels amazing, doesn't it? You feel seen, respected, and valued. Here's how you can practice this principle. Appreciate people for their efforts, not just their results. You really worked hard on the project, Rohan. Thank others for small acts. Thank you for helping me today. Compliment sincerely. Find something real and specific to appreciate. In conversation, focus on others. Make them feel that their opinion matters. Remember, when you make someone feel important, you are not losing anything. In fact, you are spreading positivity, kindness, and confidence, and that always comes back to you. Flattering and genuine appreciation. Flattering is fake. It says nothing. It's saying nice things just to get things in return. Sincere appreciation, on the other hand, comes from the heart. You notice the good in someone and express it honestly. So these were the 9 things I think which Dale says that will help you make people like you. Thank you for listening. If you liked it, then subscribe and share it with your friends, and so that we can give you many more such videos from the learning from Dale Carnegie.